Hello, 3.0ers. We are going to start thing 18. I talked to you a little bit about it. Thing 18 is digital storytelling, but it's really a way for you guys to learn how to make videos online with music, with audio, with pictures, with whatever you really want to put in them. The website is called Headliner. I'll show you guys that in a few quests. Quest 1 today is pretty simple, pretty straightforward. What you're going to do is it's going to introduce and kind of tell you what people do when they make digital stories, things online that are a way to tell a story, like I said, through video, with captions, with things like that in the video. So, learning target, we will be able to understand that creating a digital story is a process with several steps. They break it down into 5 and analyze stories and identify different elements of those stories. So, here are the 5 steps, all right, that you guys are ideally going to complete. So, first thing, watch this video, okay? It's going to help you understand what a digital story is, how a digital story works, and really will explain a little bit about how you guys can tell a story without having actors, without having things like that in a digital story. So this is kind of the introduction. You don't have to really do anything other than watch that video, and then you guys will look at some examples of digital stories on this thing 18 Quest 1 storytelling analysis chart. So it says choose one column from each video. So if we do this one video in the classroom and we watch the video, okay, so you'll click on that. You guys are not doing this one. You guys will do chasing after the hummingbird. That's why this says example, because I'm going to talk about that in the example. So you guys will do chasing the hummingbird for personal narrative. Content area will be the invention of Hugo Cabret, and human interest stories as bullying prevention. Okay, so you are going to go through while watching this chart. Okay, talk about whose perspective the story is being told from. That's always important. Who is the narrator speaking to? So who's the intended audience? What is the main point of the story? So what's the message? How does the audio and visual elements use to tell a story with just enough detail? How do the visual and audio elements used add to the flow of the video and help the audience get into the story? So basically, it's going to ask you about what the visuals are, what the audio aspects of the story are that help improve the story or maybe make it not as good as it possibly could be. Okay, so you guys will be able to get to all of these. I'll make sure that they're all approved for you guys. Some of them are on WeVideo, some are on YouTube. So when you go to it, like I said, you'll watch the video, which is not working for me right now on this one, but you guys don't have to worry about that one. So you will do chasing after the hummingbird will be the first one that you guys will watch. Hopefully it will load for you. And then invention of Hugo Cabret. This is made on Adobe Spark, which is a different video making site. It's paid, so we're not using that one. And bullying prevention is on YouTube, and I'll make sure that it's approved for you guys. So you should have no problems watching that one. Okay, and again, it's all about what do you see? How does it help tell the story? All right, this is Quest 1. We will be getting into creating your story. Think about a topic as you watch these. It can literally be anything. Okay, personal narrative is a story about you. It's something, you guys have done it in writing class. Content area, it could be about sports. It could be about video games. It could be about whatever you want to tell a story about in terms of content area or human interest. Okay, things that are going on in our school, things that are going on in society, something that you want to talk about. So this is just kind of the intro. This is to get you to see some things, to introduce some things, so that you guys are able to start thinking about your story, start thinking about what you want to do. All right. As usual, let me know if you have any questions during this quest, and good luck.